Simple topic but dangerous debate. The topic is the voting age should be decreased or increased.
Reduced, because the people, they have the impact. The 16-year-old people, they have the impact on the government impacts them, because every policy, most of the policies, they are targeted towards them. You are talking, if you talk about that, they should be or 21, then no, because most of they are already so much responsible. They have so many responsibility. They have so much impact over them.
Mindset people like you. But if we'll talk about the reality, it's an age of just making their future, to studying or focus on the exam. But it's the voting means the experience, the maturity level, and how you know about society. Because it is just about choosing your 5 or 6 years to just get the good government power, that you can get the good amount of work or the quality work from the government. This is the design.
And that is why I'm saying that they should be reduced, because the term, most of the terms is 4 to 6 years, and if they wait for that long, then they will probably turn too old and they will not be able to participate. But they are getting affected by so many. You are talking about the education, you are talking about the health. They are getting affected by those policies, and you are talking about that they do not have maturity and experience. Then also I must say that foolish people, they can also grow old. So that there are so many foolish people in the older people too. You think that 21, some age, 2-3 age, it will affect that? No, because they still have that experience, they still have reasoning.
It will seem like that a person don't know that how to ride the cycle, and you are just giving them as a bike or a car. It will just like that. It could be the big accident. It will be the impression or the voting. It's just choosing the good government that the